Hola high fashion doll lovers and bienvenidos to my channel. In today's video, I will be taking a look at two fashion packs from the ILY Forever Disney collection. I have one from series 1 and one from series 2. I also have the matching accessories for both looks. So exciting. But before we get into today's video, if you are new around these parts, please consider hitting the subscribe button so you can get notified whenever I have a new video about dolls, fashion, and everything in between. And I have no idea what my hand is doing right now. But let's move on and meet today's models, shall we? In today's video, we have Miss Violaine, and joining her, we have Naja. Okay, before I unbox everything, I wanted to go ahead and give a chat, a little talk about everything as it was in the box. Mostly because I was looking at this outfit in particular, and I think it's going to be a lot bigger than my models. So in this video, I might be trying on the looks before the fashion show, just to show you and be really transparent about how it looks, because I might have to alter it and take in a little few inches or so, which I'm completely open to do. I also wanted to take a moment to show the packaging because it's so beautiful. As you can see, the fashion pack is slightly smaller than the accessory pack. On the side, you have Tiana on both boxes. Then on the other side, you have a photo of the doll that they chose to model. Here she is in the outfit, and here she is in a very different outfit, but with the accessory pack. What I love about this set is how well the accessories match the outfit. I think in series 1, they did this very well where every fashion pack had an accessory pack. In series 2, everything's been released a little weird, so everything doesn't pair up as well as series 1. I also wanted to take a moment and show you the back of the box for those that are interested, because here we have our model with all of the props, and here she is wearing the outfit. Something that I found very interesting, other than the prices that I'm sure everyone's zooming in on, I bought these from the Disney store here in New York in Times Square, by the way, is all of the languages in the back. This stood out to me the most. I at first thought it was Thai, and now that I'm looking at it, I don't think it is. Oh, it might be Japanese. No, that's Japanese in the bottom. So interesting. But sorry, I'm not used to seeing so many different languages in the back. I feel like in New York you see like the English or Spanish, maybe Chinese. So that caught my attention. But yes, this is what the box looked like. They have a little handle in the top. And now let me go ahead and show you the set for series 2. So the boxes for series 2 are very similar to series 1. You have your princess on one side, then on the other side of the box you see the model, and you see the model that they chose with the outfit. And here she's wearing the outfit and the accessories, which is what I thought was weird about series 1, because obviously the accessories match an outfit. So I don't know why she wasn't wearing it in that other box, but I appreciate that this doll is wearing them as well. And then in the back you get a photo, which is the bigger version of the photo you just saw on the side. You have the prices here in the bottom with some barcodes and all the languages. So everything is still very similar to the box from series 1. They didn't really change anything, which is really cool because I really like the identity of the box and how it is presented. Now, I'm going to go ahead and unbox everything. I'm going to be looking at everything as a set. So I think we're going to look at series 1 first and then series 2. As someone who's been styling with a lot of Barbie lately, the quality at Disney is very different. Now over here we have a pair of shorts that I'm going to start off with. The fabric feels like actual swim trunk, and here you have a little drawstring detail. The pockets are faux and it is velcroed in the back. Over here we have the top with a knot design in the front, also velcros in the back. We have one pair of shoes, which obviously, as you could tell, I'm probably not going to use. Over here we have a pair of earrings that I also will not be using, mostly because they have a plastic, I don't even know what to call this, but it is a little too wide for an Integrity Toy doll ear, so I won't be using that in this video. We have a little booklet. It was flat in the box, but you should fold it. I looked at the photo before I did. It says, "Adventures await, travel book, and let's travel together." Photos of Tiana. One of my favorite things about this fashion pack is the fact that it has a hair tie. How cute is this? We have a pair of sunglasses, a camera with an actual ribbon tie. And look at the details. You know, like details like this I've really only seen at MGM. MGA or MG, yes, MGA. I said MG. You guys know what I'm talking about, Rainbow High, okay? Got a little distracted there. But details like this, we don't come across quite often. So love that. And I also want to say that the weight of this hat is serious, okay? It is extremely heavy, so it's made amazingly. And now for my favorite part, the accessory pack. I love that they have added this because it just really adds to the play value of the fashion pack. Like the fashions are adorable, but when you add props, it really just takes the creating a scene to a whole nother level. And these accessories in particular are just grand. The towel actually is made out of towel material. She actually has a second pair of shoes over here, which I thought was really interesting, but hey, a girl has to decide which pair she wants to wear. She even has a second pair of sunglasses. The shapes are different, so, and the coloring is different. So props to them to giving us options. We'll see which one our model wears. We also have a cookbook with details inside. Like, it's not just a folded paper with nothing. There is images inside. We have a stunning bag with a working zipper. It just has tissue paper that I haven't removed. But I'm so excited about the bag because I think 90% of this can live in here, so it'll be great to store it. We have a speaker. Okay? A speaker. Like, how amazing is that? We have this little, like, beauty bag, which does open as so. It's made out of plastic. Little vignette snacks. Like, come on. Details. I'm going to assume one of these is a nail polish and the other one's a lipstick. Let's just go with that. And sunscreen. How cute is this? Now, as promised, I'm going to test this out first to show you what it looks like before the fashion show. So let me grab my model. Okay, the model is ready, and guess what? It actually works. The pants are a little loose, but they fit really well. And the top, I mean, it's a t-shirt. It doesn't really need to be any tighter. And especially with the summer look, it gives a little off the shoulder. It works, guys. It is really cute. Now I can't wait to put her in the fashion show. Now let's take all of this away and look at the second set of this video. Remember when I said that this was my favorite? Yeah, unboxing it was a whole nother level of favorites. So over here we have the dress with fabulous fabric. The print is all around. It is also Velcro in the back. This fashion pack came with a necklace that has the little Eiffel Tower there. And look, they even painted the little flower. And what is that? I don't know what that is, but I can see the flower. At least we can see that. It came with some earrings, super tiny. I think they have a flower. Yeah, like a little rose on the top. Continuing the rose detail. We have a pair of sunglasses that I was not putting in the frame. We have a coin purse that has a little opening here in the top, but what are we really gonna put in there? I realized also I did not show you the shoes on the previous model, so I will try to do the shoes with this model because I do want to test out the dress. I mean, the other one was a two-piece. It was a top and a bottom, and this is a dress. So we will be trying this look on the model before the show, and hopefully I'll remember to show you the shoes. Now, this purse that came with this set. I was like, oh, it's so cute. It's like a faux leather strap, which has a little cut there. Nothing crazy. And I was like, it's so cute. And then I was like, moving it in, it opens. The purse actually opens. How cute is that? Okay, I was already in love, and now that I've bought it and I'm unboxing and trying it, I'm even further in love. Disney ILY Forever, you guys are doing the damn thing. Now moving on to what I'm going to call the story pack, because it really ties in the story. I'm going to start with the neck pillow because guess what, guys? It's actual fabric. It's cloth, it's stuffed, it is not plastic. It is an actual little neck pillow. I might cut this tag off because it's kind of in the way, but other than that, it is fabric. The neck pillow, it is fabric. Here we have the dog bag with the rose detail, same as the earrings. The dog, as far as I know, fits. I have not tried. The cute doggy here. Yep, perfections. My dog seems to have a little error. The paint is a little smudged there, but that's fine. We're okay with that. I'm not going to stress about that. We have a makeup compact over here. Also has a little rose detail. Out of the frame. Go ahead, Christopher. Out of the frame. Amazing. We have a toothbrush. Looks electric. Toothpaste, because what's a toothbrush without toothpaste? A little brush for the makeup compact right there. Some headphones for the laptop, I'm assuming. Also having the rose detail on the side. Here we have a laptop, which is such a beautiful iridescent finish with a rose detail there. And a screen. I mean, loving that we even included a screen. And last but not least, the item that really made me purchase this set. A suitcase. I really have an obsession with mini suitcases. As you can see, this one opens. The handle does go up and down. The wheels, however, are not workable. But that's fine. We don't really need that detail. I love the fact that both packs, both accessory packs that I purchased, have big items that you can kind of store all the little items in. That I think is super cool. Now, let me go ahead and get the model and put her in the dress, and let's take a look at the dress and the shoes on the model before the fashion show. Okay, the dress is a perfect fit. That is all you're getting now, so we can look at the fashion show later. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you the shoes. Although she has an arch, I just want to show how big they are. You see that much gap in the back? Yeah. Yeah, whatever. But it's all about the fashion. But that's really important. But now that you know that they work, let me go ahead and prepare my sets. And now to the fashion show, shall we?